Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the importance of having a sales funnel for your online business. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the importance of having a sales funnel and actually what a sales funnel really is. But before I go any further into this video, I just want to say, if this is your first time here on my channel, then I invite you to subscribe if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online. And also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Because that's what this channel is all about. Giving you guys tips when it comes to making money on the side so you don't have to be stuck working a regular 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get right into it. So, what is a sales funnel? It's the sales process where businesses lead customers through to purchase a product. Now, if you're a business, you should have a sales funnel in place already. If you're struggling to make sales, a sales funnel is going to help you take your business to the next level. Even if you're making a good amount of sales already, a sales funnel is going to help you scale your business so you can earn more money. Now, there are stages that people are going to go through when you're leading them through a sales funnel. So let me just give you guys a visual of how it should look. So most people are going to come through the top of the sales funnel right here. So the first part of the sales funnel is to create awareness. So basically, you're marketing your product or service out there. So whenever you're putting an advertisement or a billboard, this is where you're creating awareness for your product or your service. Now, this is what's going to grab people's attention. And then the second part of the funnel is, if people are interested, they're going to become leads. A lead is just somebody who's showing a little bit of interest in what you're selling. So you can capture leads through what's known as a lead capture page or a landing page, a squeeze page. It's all the same thing. Now, this is for online businesses. But even if you're a regular brick and mortar store, you have a sales funnel in place. It might not be a good one, but you still have a sales funnel in place. And I'll go into that a little bit later on. So when somebody comes to your sales funnel, you brought awareness to your product by placing an advertisement, and then they showed somewhat interest. Then later on, maybe they're not ready to make a buying decision yet. So they're going to go through the funnel, and they're going to become prospects where you're going to market to them through email marketing, where you're promoting your product or service and you're delivering value in those emails. And usually, when somebody comes across something for the first time online that they can buy, they're not ready to make a buying decision the first time that they're exposed to it. It takes maybe 5 to 12 exposures before they're ready to make a buying decision. So these prospects are people who you're going to be contacting through email, promoting your product or service over and over again, and just letting them know, hey, I have this product or service. If you're interested, it's going to help you out. And most people who come through your sales funnel, they're not going to make it out through the other side. The whole purpose of creating a sales funnel is to get as many people as you can to your sales funnel, and then just let your sales funnel take care of the rest. It's going to filter out the people who are just kind of interested or not really interested. The people who are really interested, they're going to go through the whole process of your sales funnel, and then they're going to come out through the other end. And this is where you're going to be making money from. So you might get a whole bunch of people coming to your sales funnel. Let's say you get 1,000 people coming to your sales funnel. Just to let you guys know, if you're not aware about how sales funnels work, you're not going to make 1,000 sales from getting 1,000 people to your landing page or by spreading awareness of your product or your service. You might have, out of these 1,000 people, you might get maybe 500 people who end up as leads. And when you're prospecting to them by sending them emails, not all of them are going to open up your emails. Let's say out of these 500 people, only 200 open up your emails. And they might open up your emails, or they might just straight up delete your emails. But those people who are really interested, maybe let's say out of these 1,000 people, or out of these 200 people that open up your emails and they read them, let's say only 50 of them actually purchase something. So you make 50 sales out of having 1,000 people come to your landing page or whatever method that you're using to create awareness. So this is basically how you can scale your business and make more sales by using a sales funnel. Now, let me talk about how brick and mortar businesses or other businesses that are not online businesses have sales funnels in place. Anytime that you're a business and you're creating an advertisement, you're creating awareness. Now, let's say, for example, if a mechanic shop has an advertisement in the newspaper or a billboard where they're advertising that they're doing oil changes for $19.99, and $19.99 is only covering the cost of the actual oil, not the oil filter or the labor, but they're using that price to create awareness to get you to go and get your oil change right there. Then what they do is when you show up, you get your oil change for $19.99, and what they're going to try to do is upsell you. And this is how most businesses work. They have something that's a low ticket item or a low price offer just to get you in the door, and then once you're there, they upsell you, and that's how they make the real money. So if somebody comes in to get their oil change for $19.99, and then once your car is there, the mechanic might tell you, hey, you know what, you need new tires, it's going to cost you $120 each. Or you need a new catalytic converter, which can cost, over $200. This is how they make a profit, by upselling you once you're on the back end. Now, every business has a sales funnel, but if they're not good marketers, they might not realize that they have a sales funnel, so they might not know how to use it to their advantage. Just think about McDonald's. If you go to McDonald's and you get a burger for $1.50, think about how much advertisement that they have in the commercials, the billboard, the bench ads, the bus ads, just to get you in that drive-thru. It costs them way more money to get you in that drive-thru than what they're making by selling you that burger for $1.50. So what they do to upsell you is they ask you, is that all? Do you want fries with that? Do you want a soda? And usually people, they'll take a soda, they'll take fries, and that's how they actually make their profit. So that's the importance of sales funnels. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you guys learned something new from it, let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys are interested in learning how to start making money online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.